In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Domo AI video for free. This process has become incredibly exciting as it opens up the world of AI-powered video creation to everyone without a huge budget. So let's dive right in and walk through this step by step. To get started, head over to the Domo AI website. You'll find a suite of tools available, including the video-to-video, style transfer, AI video tool. This platform is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, the first thing you'll need to do is take a quick look at the terms of service by giving that link a click. It's always a smart move to familiarize yourself with what you're agreeing to. Next, it's time to log in. Click on the option to log in with Google. It's straightforward and seamless, plus it comes with a little bonus. Once you successfully log in, you'll receive 15 free credits. These credits allow you to create AI videos without spending a dime, which is a great way to test the waters. After logging in, the next step is to click on the AI video option. This will direct you to the section where you can begin creating your video masterpiece. Here, look for the text to video button and click on it. This feature is particularly useful because it allows you to transform textual content into engaging video format. Now that you're in the video creation space, you'll find an area to click or drop an image. This feature gives you the freedom to upload an image that can serve as the basis or inspiration for your video, providing a visual context for your narrative. With your image in place, the next step is to type your prompt. This is where you define what the video should be about, or any specific instructions you want the AI to follow. Be as detailed as possible to achieve the best results. Once you've set your prompt, it's time to choose your templates. Templates are invaluable as they give your video a professional touch with minimal effort. Browse through the available options and select one that fits your vision. Subsequently, you will need to select the aspect ratio that suits your needs, whether you require a standard horizontal format or something more suited for social media. Ensuring the right dimensions can create a significant impact. After finalizing the ratio, move on to set the duration of your video. Depending on the complexity and purpose of your project, decide on an appropriate length. A good rule of thumb is to keep it concise but comprehensive. Finally, with all of your preferences set, it's time to hit the generate button. The AI will work its magic, combining your inputs, styles, and preferences into a final video product that aligns with your vision. That's it. You've now learned how to create a Domo AI video for free, opening up endless possibilities for content creation. Enjoy experimenting and seeing your ideas come to life with the power of AI.